How to send voice message on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send voice message on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the inbox icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the inbox section, just scroll down and select the user when you want to send the voice message to. And now here, once you are inside that particular chat section, then what you can do is you can just look for the mic option shown in the bottom right side of the screen, and there you can just tap on it to enable the voice message option. Now here, send button, and here with message will be sent to that particular person. And that's it. That's how you can send voice message on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.